Ailment. A minor illness or health issue, like a cold, fever, or headache. Nothing too serious. He visited the doctor for a minor ailment. She is suffering from a common ailment like a cold. Backlog. Unfinished work or tasks that are waiting to be done. I have a backlog of emails to respond to. The team is working hard to clear the backlog of tasks. Companion. Someone who goes with you, spends time with you, or shares experiences with you. Could be a friend, partner, or even a pet. My dog is my constant companion. She brought a companion to the event. Compel. To force someone to do something. The rules compel students to wear uniforms. He felt compelled to speak the truth. Concede. To admit something is true after denying it or accept defeat after resisting. He had to concede that he was wrong. She refused to concede defeat. Confiscate. To take something away from someone, usually by authority, as a punishment or for legal reasons. The teacher decided to confiscate his phone during class. Police can confiscate illegal items. Disown. To refuse to accept someone as part of your family or to deny any connection with them. He decided to disown his past mistakes and move forward. She was afraid her family would disown her for her decision. Dispense. To distribute or give out something, often in small portions. The pharmacist dispensed the medicine to the patient. The machine dispenses snacks and drinks. Divulge. To reveal or disclose something, usually a secret or private information. She refused to divulge any details about the plan. He accidentally divulged the surprise party secret. Elaborate. To explain something in more detail. Can you elaborate on your idea? She elaborated on the plan during the meeting. Embellish. To make something more beautiful by adding details or decorations. She likes to embellish her stories with exciting details. He embellished the truth to impress his friends. Obsolete. Out of date, no longer in use, or replaced by something newer and better. Old technology quickly becomes obsolete. This machine is obsolete and no longer used. Reiterate. To say or do something again, often for emphasis or clarity. The teacher had to reiterate the instructions to the class. He reiterated his point during the meeting. Resuscitate. To bring someone or something back to life or consciousness. The doctors worked quickly to resuscitate the patient. New ideas helped resuscitate the struggling business. Venerate. To respect deeply or honor someone or something, often used for people, traditions, or sacred things. Many people venerate their teachers for their guidance. The community venerates the leader for his wisdom.